Hi friends, welcome to PMC. In this video, I am going to explain what are the benefits we are going to get from the meditation. So nowadays, meditation is the necessary thing like food, like sleep, like bathing, taking water. It is the most essential thing in our day-to-day life. So there are a lot of benefits by doing meditation. In ancient India, every student has to be taught meditation right from the childhood because they understood, they recognized when somebody is taught meditation, they can handle everything because meditation is completely connected with the mind. If you are able to control your mind, everything will be controlled because in our day-to-day life, mind is the key to access the outer world. So what are the benefits we are going to get? First of all, you are going to get complete health because every health problem is coming from stress and strain, overthinking. So meditation, if you do meditation, you are going to gradually decrease the thoughts. You are going to stop whenever it is not necessary thinking. So when you are able to stop which is not necessary to your mind, then your mind becomes calm. It takes energy, it works effectively. So organizing mind becomes very easy when you are a practitioner of meditation. So you can organize your mind effectively so that you can work effectively in the office, wherever. If you are a student, you can learn easily, your grasping power will increase and your concentration levels will be increased, your memory power also will be increased. So these are the basic benefits. And creativeness. More people nowadays require creativity. People are thinking only in old way, so that they are not able to becoming entrepreneurs. They are not able to invent new things. They are simply following the people. But if you do meditation, your mind becomes empty. Empty mind receives unlimited wisdom from the universe. Already there, the total wisdom is there in the universe. For example, take the Newton, take the Einstein. Newton has observed lot of things and he formulated the law of gravitation. He observed the nature and he received that formula from the nature because there is emptiness in his mind. While he is sleeping, while he is taking the rest under the tree, he received that information because if his mind is completely empty mind receives new, innovative, creative thoughts. This leads to the creativity. If you have enough creativity, your career will become more powerful. You will become more strong in your career. If you are a student, you will understand easily because you are receiving the information how to solve the problems in your study. So if there is an emptiness in your mind, you can understand easily whatever the difficult subject it may be. How much difficult it may be, you can understand easily. Your mind only concentrates on the solution. It receives from the universe. So all you need to create emptiness here. Then it receives the unlimited wisdom. Wisdom is there in the universe already. More creative people means they are not thinking more and more. It is not meant to think. If you think about creativity, you are not able to think, you are not thinking innovative way. You have to receive the new thoughts from the universe. You can't think the new things. You think only about the past. Already known things you think about known things. If you want to find out or discover or invent new things, you should not think about it. You simply make your mind empty, then you will receive the new things, new thoughts. Then your mind will formulate it. Then you will become an innovative thinker. Creativity will be increased. So meditation helps you to think in a creative way. So creativity will be increased. First of all, you are going to get complete health. Whatever the diseases you are going to get in the future, whatever the diseases already you have, you are going to heal all these things through the meditation. Second one, peace of mind. Peace of mind, how it comes? We are addicted to think continuously. We are not able to stop thinking. We are not able to remind the past events which has harmed you. Even you don't want to think about it. Even you don't want to remind those things which has damaged your mind. But you are not able to control your thoughts. But the controlling your thoughts comes from only practice of meditation. So, if you are able to control your negative thoughts, destructive thoughts, you are only going to focus only in the present moment. So, by the meditation, you are able to access the present moment. When you are in the present moment, there is no dukkha, there is no negativity, there is no fears, there is no tension about the future. All you need to be in the present moment, but it is not easy, that much easy, without a particular technique. But when you practice more and more meditation, you will become more and more mindfulness. You can access easily the present moment. When you are in the present moment, you are receiving energy, you are not wasting energy, and you are completely focusing on the work which is there in front of you. You can work more effectively by mindfulness. Mindfulness means meditation. So, meditation gives you the more effective way to work with your day-to-day life. And concentration. If you are sitting in the class, you are thinking about the past, so you are not able to listen the class. So you are not able to listen the class. That means you are not able to understand it. That means there is no concentration to you. You can't learn anything without concentration. If you are a sincere practitioner of meditation, when you are sitting in the classroom, you simply says to your mind, calm down, stop thinking, focus only on the board, listen to teacher. You can command your mind with the meditation. So that means you are focusing complete your energy and time in the present moment. You are going to listen properly. If you listen properly, you can understand everything. Then no need to memorize it. So if there is a concentration leads to the memory power. So you don't need to work out for memory. When you understand everything perfectly, whenever you want to re-access that one, it becomes very easy. That is called Eka Santagrahi. Telugu, there is a quotation in Telugu, one time grasping power. If you listen or if you watch, if you say, and it is going to be printed in your subconscious mind permanently. Whenever you want, you can access it. For example, you are sitting in the examination hall. Just if you see, by seeing question, simply your mind gives the answer to that one. You don't need to work out for more. So meditation gives more concentration. You can listen effectively. If you listen effectively, you will understand easily. And this at last leads to the more memory power. So first, health and peace of mind, and you are going to stop your negative thoughts which is not necessary for you and which is going to scare you. You are going to completely stop your negative thinkings and destructive thinking also. So completely you are going to get the grip over your mind by meditation. If we say continuously, we can list lots of benefits from the meditation. These are the most beneficial things. And the last beneficial thing is you can control your emotions. If you are able to control your emotions, you are able to manage your anger. You don't shout at other people. You are not going to react unnecessarily with wrong persons. If you react immediately with other person, there is a chance to break the relation. So more relationships are breaking down because of frustrations, not able to handle the emotions. By meditation, if you do enough time meditation, complete emotions are going to be under your control, so that your relations are going to be healed. So many benefits are there if you become a meditator. So meditation is the most important thing to which we have to give the first priority. When you give first priority, the most important to your meditation, and all else, everything in your life will be healed. So, first priority and the most important thing in your life is meditation. Take the time and sit in the meditation. Don't think for wait. Don't think or don't wait for opportunity to get the to do meditation. Take the time. Allot some time to do meditation. This should be a habit of your day-to-day life. Thank you very much.